Welcome to the Restore It Ralph channel. Going on a February adventure in my Willys Jeep. Normally, a February adventure in this Jeep would be plowing snow, but it's about 55, 60 degrees out, and I would like to get a bunch of this caked up mud and maybe some snow and salt residue off of this thing, so that way it doesn't sit there and rot. I did build this body from scratch, so it might not have the best galvanizing and whatnot, and I'm not prepared to watch this thing rust away again. If I had decent water at the house, this would not be a big deal. I'd just hose it off and wash it, but I've almost ruined paint jobs here because of the amount of lime in the water. I'm on a well, and I'm not prepared to ruin this paint job, so I'm gonna try and drive it into town, which in normal conditions is a 10 to 15 minute drive. This might be a little bit longer than that. First things first is I'm gonna pop the plow off the front of this thing, just put it over in the edge of the driveway, and then see how much fuel's in it, because the gas gauge does not work. Plow control cable is released, so now I need to push that plow lifter arm down so I can get slack on the chain. It falls out of there. I need to pull the pins. Level is just to the bottom of the pillar neck. I'll get my gas gauge to double check it. Yeah, got that much gas. That'll get us to the gas station. I'll top it off before I run into town. I played around with this Jeep in the field right after I got the engine done, and that's the kind of stuff that's making me not sleep at night, so I want to get that all rinsed out of there. I know it's a nasty day out, but I still would rather have it cleaner than it is.
to civilization, I guess.
All done at the local car wash. Pop my protectors off of here. And I guess we'll try and head home.
Power the rebuilt engine, I'm cruising along at 50. That's not too bad with 538 gears.
This thing ran perfectly. Probably a 20-mile round trip. That's about all this Jeep is probably ever gonna get. So that's good enough. This thing's running pretty good. One problem I did find is I've got a leak in the radiator down somewhere in the core, and I just ran it with the cap loose. So it's gonna need a radiator, but that's not a today project. Take a little spray detailer of this thing, get the water spots off of it, and this thing should be good enough to put back in service. I think that's going to do it for this video. The old Jeep ran into town and back, about a 20-mile round trip. First maiden voyage, a couple takeaways, needs a radiator, and it's running great. So I'm going to call that good. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Restore It Ralph channel.